So let's show you how we can do all of this from the REST API as well. So I'm going to reload, and now that same model was loaded from disk, so these additional threats are not visible here. If I go to a REST API console, let's have a look. If we look at the number of commands by running simulations, we can see we have a start command, a stop command, help, occur, sim step, results, status, all of these same commands that we had before. And including, of course, the model command. And that's the command that we would like to run now. That's the one that we've done before. So let's type that in. Model. And it gives us an error. No command parameter set. So we need to send in the command, and we use the command threat. Failed to process DSL command threat. Wrong number of arguments. Okay, well, we know already that threat requires additional arguments. Now, the current REST API takes only one argument called command, and this must be the complete command. And the command as it is in the console, the same command, so we need to put spaces in it. Failures, what did we call it? Something bad happened again. So we need to, these spaces can't be there. Let's put single quotes in here. Have a look at the error we got. Threat something bad happened again is invalid because no recovery was defined. This is exactly the same problem that we saw before. We do need to define the recovery. Recovery. What did we call it? Repair server. Just so you can see what I'm typing, I'll move this over a little bit. Repair server. So this is getting a little bit messy, but of course the REST API is expected to be sent by programs. It's not common that you will actually type this in. Let's see. Oh, okay, that looked good. No errors. No errors at all. So we can have a look back at the INMOTOS tool, at the actual GUI here. And yes, indeed, we see something bad happened again has appeared without time on it. So let's go back to the REST API and put in the time after 40. Well, I think we did 60 last time. Let's do the same after 60. Okay. And let's have a look back at the tool. Yes, indeed. We do have 60 there. So let's run it. We can, of course, run it using the REST API. What I'm going to do here is pull this REST API off as a separate console. So we have it on the screen here. And just say here, occur. So I made it step 5 transitions through, and you can see the time has moved to 2. If I look back at this one and move it down slightly, you'll see the same thing up there. Time of 2. I can do also some time to switch it to time mode, and then if I do occur, it should, let's not to count 5, let's just do occur 1, and you'll see the time change to 3 on the original GUI as well as in this one here. Let's move this away a little bit so we can see slightly more of that. So if I keep pushing occur, reload, you'll see time goes 4, 5, 6. Oh, there we go. At 6, quite a few things happened, and that was because there was a token ready to fire at 5, and now it's also ready to fire again. Let's do this again. Boom. So, fix network off. That has been repaired properly. Move this up so it's more visible. We can see the tokens appearing over there. If I switch back to some step mode, then when I occur, it will jump the time much faster. You see it jumped to 52 already, and that's because it jumped over all of that blank space till the next threat occurred. Let's occur again. Boom. Let's just jump right to the end when I'm saying count 10. I'm sure there's going to be less than transitions left till the end of this. Less than 10. Let's jump this. Boom. Oops, sorry. Wrong character. That's a question mark here. There we go. Jump right to the end. We got the report. Scenario finished 110 seconds. All threats passed the correct recoveries or countermeasures. And we saw the report on the screen there. We can also get the report from this simulation results link over here. And there it is. The results show that this threat passed that recovery. This is the path, and that's the recovery it expected because it appears here. This is the full path of transitions it went through to get to that point. If we have a look at each threat in turn, service stopped, worked successfully, something bad happened, also was recovered by the correct one. This is the new one that we provided. If we do a reload, I think the reload is not available on the REST API yet. No. So the reload is only available in the command console. Then we do the results here. You'll find we're back at the beginning. Only the 2 threats we had before are there. The one that we had has been deleted, and these 2 start in a failed state because we haven't run the simulation yet. Great. That's the what I wanted to show you. What you can do now from the console is model threats and recoveries, and you can also type the recovery command here as well if you wanted to. So that is possible in the console as well as in the REST API, and this allows you to control the simulations with considerable power from a remote application, as well as do some testing. I'll throw this one in again. Boom. Contingency plan. And we see that something bad happened there. So you can control everything from both of these situations. And that's it for this video.